Hi and welcome to this week's version of the free video with me, Patrick Stockhausen, looking at the market in the market forecast for the coming week. What do we have here? Now, here's what we're doing. Here's what we're looking at. So many emails, so many questions. Is now the time to buy gold? Are you buying gold now? Because if I bought it down here, I could have rode it up to here. And then if I sold it here, I would have been able to short it from the very top down to there. And here is the big takeaway, okay? And I've said this many, many times before, but I don't think you can hear a good thing enough. You know, one of the key things I've noticed about really successful people is this. They never say the phrase, I know that, you already told me something new, I already know that. Listen, one of the keys to financial success is saving money, lower your expenses. Save money, lower your expenses. And you will find that most people who are in a state of financial mediocrity want to know the new thing, the latest thing that they could possibly do. And you will find that most people are incredibly financially successful, want to be reminded of the basics. Very much like if you're from the world of personal development, you know the story of Coach John Wooden, who got the team to consistently practice the basics, because that's what mattered. And if you're not saving a percentage of any money that you have coming in, if you're not saving it and asset allocating it, what's asset allocating? Go and watch the free video on the blog. It's on the first page of my website, of the blog site, okay? If you're not asset allocating the money and you're not saving, it ain't happening. But can't you tell me some fancy option strategy and that's going to do it? No. How much you allocate to your options account is more important than which stock do you buy. Now, those who are incredibly wealthy will say to you, that is the truth. And those that are financially struggling will find it hard possibly to understand why. Right? That is the key. So I'm going to say something to you. And you might say, I know that. But if you're not doing what I'm about to say, then it doesn't matter. I'm just trying to drag something across here. Here we go. Listen, right? The person who asked me this question. Trading is like fishing. I know a couple of people in apprenticeship who like to hear this. It's like fishing, okay? There's the fish, there's its mouth, there's its head, there's its tail. We are not interested in the tail, right? We don't want that horrible thing. We're not interested. Some people eat it though, in some cultures. The horrible head and the teeth. What we want is the meat in the middle, okay? Now, the easiest trade for you to do to capture the meat in the middle is a trend trade or a swing trade inside of the trend. Say that again. A trend trade or a swing trade inside of the trend. It is the easiest thing. And when the market is doing this, it is very hard. Okay? You will tend to find that when most people try and trade that way, they lose it. But if they capture the trend or they swing inside of the trend, it is so much easier for them to win the game. Do not play the game that is hard for you to win. I used to have a girlfriend who said to me, gosh, you're amazing. God, you just seem to not fail at anything. Right? And you know what she said to me about a month later? I've just worked out. You just only do about 5 things. You don't do that. You don't do this. You don't do that. So that's why you look so good, because you only do the things that you're good at. And I go, exactly. Why would I do those stupid things? And the point is with trading, why are you trying to do those stupid things? Stick to the things that you find easy. Just trade the trend or trade the swing trade inside of the trend. And that's all that we do here. Inside Taking Stock. Okay? So, if this is the fish going this way, I'm not expecting to get in at the bottom and get out at the top. I just want the meat here, the meat in the middle. I'm happy for that. I'm happy to capture the trend, and I'm happy to capture the swing trades. Does that make sense? Good. The reason why I'm saying that to you is because that, right? If you try, now you might look at this and say, oh, but you could have, that's a nice swing. I like to capture, listen, I want this time frame to be in a nice, easy trend. Now, depending upon what you're looking at, if that's what you call a trend, I'm happy for you, okay? If that's your easy trade, I know people who have done this. They've caught the swing here, they've caught that swing there, they're in the trend, they're in a swing trade for a matter of days. Okay, they're like the couple of days trade. That's not my, that's what I don't like that style. That's not my style. What we do, that's not how I like to do it. I find it so much easier to go up at time frames and to be in something and capture. My swings last weeks to months, and my trends last months to years. Right? So I'm not glued to my screen. I'm not glued and stuck here. I'm doing something else, making money in the markets and doing something else. I'm only at my desk. Actually, the trading, the executing of the trade is 5 to 15 minutes a week. And then we have people like Micah making 1,000 something % per year. Now that's not typical, right? I'm not saying that's what you can do. If you follow my tribe, you can make... I'm saying that's what he did. We have someone else. The video's coming out soon. You're going to hear it. You're going to hear it. Who's gone off and set up a fund. And guess what they're doing? 5 to 15 minutes. We've got so many people who are creating incredible results. We're not glued to... If you're sick to death, right, of being glued to your table, your desk, your monitors, but what you really want is to grow wealth. Do not confuse frequency of opportunity with probability of opportunity, and the amount of hours that you are looking at the market equals the amount of money that you can make. That is absolutely piff paff puff. That is far from the truth, right? So I'm not doing this. I'm not interested in this. For me, I'm not. You know what I'm doing? Guess what I'm doing? I'm capturing this trend here. We've been long the market, okay, since 2000. There was a video that I did. No, it was a live training which I did. It was called What's Trade with Stockhausen. That was it. If you can find it somewhere, it's out there. And I'm telling people, 2011, I'm saying, you should be long the market. You should be long the market. And so we went long. And I've still been long and hedging as we go along. And then I'm going, this is a new entry signal for us. And we went long. Remember I showed you, so some people are possibly going to get in down here. Some people are possibly getting in down there. Right? And it's going up. Okay? So that's what we're just trading the trend. So that's going to be my tip for the week. That's going to be the foresight. Patrick, you haven't told me what's going to happen. I don't know what's going to happen. I'm just long the market. And I told you that we were going long the market. It might pull back to this, by the way, just so you know. It did test it. Went there. It might pull back and then go back up. But you see this line? I'm not saying that is my target. I'm not saying that is my target. Because I'm not telling you that is my target. Okay? So I'm staying in this. Not because that is my target. Okay? So, what if it doesn't happen? What if it doesn't hit it? Who cares? Guess what? I don't think about trading like that. You need to think about trading over a series of trades, not this individual trade's outcome. It is over a series of trades. So with that said, is there anything else I want to tell you? No, I just wanted to show you gold, and I wanted to show you the S&P, and I wanted to show you the difference in the things. See this? Nice and easy trend. What about that bit there? Got out. What about, when did you get back in? Well, I hate this phrase. The Donald Trump rally. Get lost. I didn't get in because Donald Trump won some election. Get lost. This because the technicals told us to go long, and we went long in here. Sunday Insiders went long in here. Wrote this from here all the way up there. And then we got stopped out in this volatility. But that's a big move that we captured. And then we got some of this here. And then we got that to come out. And then we went long again. But we've been long the market for the longest period of time, hedging, protecting, rolling those options, capturing the swing trades, capturing the trend trades. That's what I'm looking for in the coming week in the markets. Are you saying Patrick's going to hit there this week? No. I have no idea if it is or it isn't. It doesn't matter if it does or it doesn't. We're not thinking about the outcome of this trade. We keep taking the trades, and that's what makes us a winner. Coming out soon, I'm doing a 7-part free series that will help you to gain the mindset, the winning mindset. That will help you to win the game. So how you need to think about this, right? So that you can do the actions. It is be, do, have. You need to be the kind of person who can do the actions consistently so that you can have the result that you desire. So until then, watch out for that free video, that free training series, that 7-part series that will help you to be the person so that you can do the things so that you can have the results that you want, so that you can go from financial mediocrity to you becoming financially free and independent, to your family creating generational wealth that can last a minimum of 100 years. So till the next time, Patrick Stockhausen, over and out. Take care. Bye for now. I hope this recorded the sounds because I won't be happy. Till the next time. See you later. Bye-bye. Bye for now. Bye-bye. Hi, it's Patrick Stockhausen here. Did you enjoy this episode? Good. Because if you did, there's 2 things that you can do right now to continue your journey. The first thing is, you can subscribe right here, right now, to my channel on YouTube, and I'll keep sending you on a regular basis, on a weekly basis in fact, information, powerful information to transform your trading behaviors and transform your wealth and trading mindset. Plus, you will get specific things that you can do to become a consistently profitable trader. And all you have to do is press subscribe right here on this YouTube channel to get that information sent to you every single week. The second thing that you can do this right now is you can go to takingstock.biz, sign up for any of the priceless free trainings. When you subscribe, you're going to get literally hours of priceless free trainings, updates on my latest findings, what will empower you to create the results that you desire, and everything else that we do not do on this channel. If you'd like to do that, just go to takingstock.biz, B-I-Z, do that now. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Till then, empower your mind, empower your financial life so that you can live your version of an inspired life. Take care for now. Bye-bye.